Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on screen sharing from Windows 10 to your LG Smart TV. Make sure that both your PC and TV are connected to the same network, otherwise this will not work. Firstly, turn on your TV. Then on your Windows 10 desktop, right-click the mouse and then click on Display Settings. Scroll down and click on the option Connect to a wireless display. Wait for your TV to appear on the list and then click on it. You will need to accept the connection on your TV. Once you have done that, screen mirroring will start. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more LG TV tutorials.